On this edition of Steve's Cooking, I'm going to show you a simple, delicious appetizer.
For the basil cream sauce, chop up your onion, a little bit of sliced garlic. It's such a simple sauce and it tastes delicious.
Next, add olive oil to a pan, add onions and sweat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the garlic and sweat for 2 minutes. Add ingredients to a bowl and put to one side.
I'm just going to add some basil to some hot water and this will release some nice flavours. That basil smells gorgeous.
Add onions and garlic to a blender, add the basil leaves, add milk to a pan and warm through. Add chili flakes, warm milk, lid on and blend until smooth. When smooth, add to a saucepan.
So at this stage, season with some salt, some pepper, just a touch of cream. So give it a swirl, taste.
Next, cut chicken breast in half and cut into strips. Add olive oil and salt. Add chicken to a hot grill pan and cook. While the chicken is cooking, add olive oil to a pan, add oyster mushrooms and cook.
I want the butter to be like a burnt noisette, like a nutty brown.
Add the mushrooms to a bowl and put to one side. In the same pan, add spinach, olive oil, salt and lemon juice. Now cook the spinach until wilted.
Also, I'm going to grill some nice prosciutto.
Cook the prosciutto until nice and crispy.
And then just lightly press on the bread to get them char marks. And then just rub some garlic on the edges. And it's these small details that make a big difference to the dish.
So there you have it, one delicious appetizer.
So let's tuck in. Some great textures in there. Simple ingredients coming together to make a delicious meal. Thanks guys.